Good morning, students. Ito yung explanation natin dun sa module nyo na ipinadala ko. Sabi doon, 2x squared plus 3x plus 4 divided by x plus 1. So, itong x plus 1 na to is a binomial. Kailangan maintindihan natin na si 2x squared plus 3x plus 4 siya yung tinatawag nating dividend. Ayan, dividend. At yun namang x plus 1, yun naman ang tinatawag nating divisor. So, sa formal writing of solution kasi, nilalagay natin yung dividend sa loob ng division symbol at yung divisor sa labas. So, ganito po siya. Wait. Kailangan mas maliit yung sulat ko para magkasya sa screen. Ayan, 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. Ayan, nasa loob yan ng symbol. Ganito. And then, x plus 1. Sabi sa step 1, divide 2x squared by x. Di-divide lang kasi natin yung first term by the first term. Parang sa long division of numbers, yung normal na number, di ba? Inuuna natin yung first digit. So, dito, unahin natin yung first term. Tapos, di-divide natin siya by the first term din lang nung divisor. So, what is 2x squared divided by x? Sabi dun sa step 1 natin, di ba? Divide 2x squared by x. So, pag nagdi-divide tayo niyan, we divide the numerical coefficients yung mga number and the literal coefficients o yung mga letter. So, 2, ang numerical coefficient ng x sa baba ay 1. Yan. So, 2 divided by 1 is 2. Then, yung x squared naman divided by x means x squared or x raised to the 2 raised to the second power minus 1. Ayan, raised to the 2 minus 1. Kasi division nga siya ng monomials. So, the answer here is 2 times, diba, x raised to 1. So, 2x. So, we write that on top of 2x squared. The answer is 2x. Next step is multiply. Multiply natin yung naging sagot na yon na 2x dun sa mismong binomial divisor. So, hindi lang sa first term natin ita-times yung 2x sa buo na sa x plus 1. So, paano ulit mag-multiply nito? By using the distributive property, 2x times x is 2x squared. Then, plus 2x times 1. So, 2x. Kaya, nakikita nyo doon, 2x squared plus 2x. Then, step 3, but wait, saan natin susulat yon pagka nagta-times tayo? Di ba we write it below? Hindi natin sinusulat sa taas kasi ang sinusulat natin sa taas yung sagot sa division. Yung sagot sa multiplication, sa baba natin susulat. That's why you have there subtract 2x squared plus 2x from 2x squared plus 3x plus 4. So, magsasubtract na tayo. So, ang ginagawa ko dyan, yun na lang 2x squared plus 3x tsaka 2x squared plus 2x yung may na minus kasi sila lang yung may ka-minus-minus na, na monomial. So, 2x squared plus 3x minus 2x squared plus 2x. Remember, di ba, pag nagma-minus tayo, we add the opposite or we change the sign na minus into plus. We change it to plus. Yan, magiging plus siya. Tapos, yung sign ng mga monomials or sign ng terms ay magiging opposite nung original sign nila. So, positive 2x squared will become minus, and positive 2x will become minus or negative. Then, we will add them, proceed to addition. So, since 2x squared is added to negative 2x squared, it's 0 na. 3x plus negative 2x is x. Wala yung aking ink, black ink. 3x plus negative 2x is x. Kaya, yun ang susulat natin sa ilalim. Yan. Para tayo naglo-long division of numbers lang talaga, no? After that, we bring down 4 plus 4. Shiin pa. Okay, x plus 4. Then, divide ulit tayo. Magdi-divide ulit tayo ng terms dito. So, first term ulit, edi x divided by x. So, siguro naman, you already know what is divide x by x. Divide x by x, the answer is positive 1. So, we put plus 1 on top. Then, multiply again by the whole divisor. 1 times x plus 1. We just copy x plus 1. Since multiplying by 1 means the same, we will just copy the number. And then, subtract. Subtract x plus 1 from x plus 4. So, change the sign of the subtrahend. So, change the subtraction sign to addition sign and then change the signs of the subtrahend. So, mas positive, magiging negative. And then, yung plus 1, magiging minus 1 or negative 1. So, that means it's 3. 4 plus negative 1 is 3. We don't have anything to bring down, kaya yan na yung ating remainder. Remainder 3. That's why the final answer is 2x plus 1, remainder 3. So, kung may questions kayo, PM nyo lang ako, okay? Bye!